Hey guys, we're here in Victory Park at one of the newest high-rises to this neighborhood, the 23. Nikki, the assistant community manager, has agreed to give us a sneak peek of this community. Let's go check it out.
This is my favorite floor plan.
What floor plan is this?
This is called the Triumph.
Okay, perfect.
So, greatest thing about this floor plan is the killer view.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's crazy.
Isn't it great? Countertops are quartz. We have a farm-style sink, updated appliances.
Check out what y'all got
Yeah,
here.
ice cream too.
Oh my gosh. So how many square feet is this?
This one's 782 square foot.
Well, the space is really utilized because you can stick your bar stools under here. You have tons of cabinet space.
And then they all have farm-style sinks, very Chip and Joanna.
Oh, I love those. Do the apartments come with washer and dryers? Do you have to rent them?
No, all of them come with full-size washer and dryer.
This is great.
Brand new appliances, so you can put your comforter in there.
Oh wow, and you actually have storage in here too. I hate how you have no room for like your cleaning supplies in most apartments, so this is awesome.
So this is a queen size bed. You can obviously fit a king. These are really big
Oh, you sure
nightstands.
can. Okay, so what kind of shades are these?
So this is the really cool thing. Say you wake up in the morning, look at the view that you're gonna get.
Oh my gosh, I love these doors.
I love them too. They're barn style doors, so they're really good at conserving space.
I love all the cabinets in this bathroom. Tons of cabinet space. I hate bathrooms that I have nowhere to put my makeup or my blow dryer. This is great that there's so much space.
Yeah, and a lot of counter space too. And then they all have garden style tubs.
Oh, nice.
Every woman needs a bathtub to
Absolutely.
soak in. People always love the closets. There's a lot of shelving here.
So these are all customizable?
Yes.
These are awesome. And all the apartments come with this?
Yes.
I love it.
The neat thing about the Honeywell thermostat is that you can connect it to your phone, and whenever you leave, you can turn your temperature up, and when you're headed home, you can turn it down, so it saves you a ton of money on your electric bill.
That's great. And a little bit eco-friendly.
Yeah, so what do you think about the apartment?
You know, I could totally see myself living here. This is definitely my next bachelorette pad.
Okay, I have one more apartment I really want to show you.
All right, cool.
It's one of our 2 bedrooms. Check out this view. This is floor to ceiling windows almost all the way around.
Oh my gosh, I love this shower. Oh my gosh. So here at the 23, they have this awesome amenity deck on the 8th floor. As you can see, you have this gorgeous infinity pool that overlooks the entire city. You also have these great tanning decks where you have these chairs, so if you want to get a little bit of sun and still stay wet and cool, you got this here. One of the things I love about the gym here at the 23 is that, as you can see, you have this stair climber here, which you rarely see in apartment complexes. You also have this flex studio, which, surprise, surprise, check out this awesome row machine. If that wasn't enough for you, check this out. So not only do you have all of that, but check out this lift studio. Not only do you have boxing, you're gonna have rock climbing here, and they even have my favorite bar, the dip bar. Check this out. And for all you people who work from home, check out these little spaces that they have. These are perfect. If you're like me and you talk really loud, you can shut everybody out. So another feature of the lounge space upstairs is you have a lot of cool little games, like the shuffleboard game, which I've never played before. Okay guys, so we just saw the 23 here in Victory Park. Now if you're not impressed by this, I don't know what's gonna impress you. Now if you wanna see any other properties like this anywhere in Texas, visit our website at topnotchlocating.com. But for now, I'm gonna hang out here at the lounge and y'all gotta go. No, seriously, y'all gotta go.